Hi, I'm Christina Melnichuk. I am Department Chair at College of Lake County for the Health Information Technology Department. And I wanted to take some time to talk to you today about the health information profession and the opportunities that CLC has to offer in relation to this field. HIT is a bit of a niche profession that's been gaining recognition in recent years, and it's unique in healthcare because it combines different facets of medicine, data management, and information technology. I believe most people think of HI technicians as the employees who organize and manage health information data and ensure that the information recorded by physicians and other healthcare personnel maintains its quality, accuracy, accessibility, and security, both in paper files and electronic systems. And this is true. Many HI technicians are responsible for this type of work, but there are also many HI technicians who may use various classification systems to code records and categorize patient information for various reasons, such as insurance reimbursement purposes, researching databases, collecting information for different types of registries, such as cancer registries, or simply to maintain patients' medical and treatment histories for providers. The HIT program coursework at CLC gives students a foundation in health information studies and clinical experiences in the real world. So the graduates may work as health information technicians in a range of hospital and outpatient healthcare settings, such as medical billing and insurance companies, registries, laboratories, legal offices, or perhaps with vendors in areas such as the electronic health record and computer-assisted coding. Currently, health information is an exciting and growing field. In fact, it's projected by the Bureau of Labor Statistics that the employment of health information technicians is going to grow 13% from 2016 to 2026. This is faster than the average for all occupations in existence at this time, and it is due to the demand for health services as our nation's population ages and technology continues to develop. Here at CLC, we want to meet the needs of this expanding profession in our community, so we offer both a medical billing specialist certificate and a health information technology associate's degree at our college, and that is accredited through CAHIM. That allows associate degree graduates to take the national certification exam to become registered health information technicians, or RHITs. The CLC HIT webpage is a great resource for finding out a lot of information that I'm discussing in this video. So take some time to come on out and look at what we have out here for you. And one of the things I want to talk about would be our program options. Students can start classes for the Medical Billing Specialist Certificate Program at any time, and it can be completed in 1 year on a full-time basis. The certificate provides students with mastery for entry-level positions in a physician's office. And there are 6 to 7 courses for the certificate, and the focus is on classes such as medical terminology, coding, and insurance procedures. And those courses taken in this pathway are accepted as earned credits for the HIT associate's degree if a student chooses to continue on with their education. The HIT associate degree program, that one can be completed in 2 years on a full-time basis. The courses in the 2-year program include those mentioned earlier for the certificate, and others such as legal and ethics, leadership and management, statistics, healthcare reimbursement, data literacy, and capstone classes with practicums. The 2-year program helps provide our students with experience for positions in outpatient and hospital settings. And some of the career paths people take are in billing and coding, release of information, patient registrar, and medical records management positions such as document imaging technician, medical records coordinator, or medical records analyst. And it's important to note that Students do not need to screen for acceptance into the HIT program if they are coming into the certificate, but if they are interested in the associates, then they would need to go through a screening process, as we have limited seating for this program with clinical experiences. The screening deadline for the associate's degree program is the first Wednesday of February every year, and periodically we will have a summer screening or a rolling admission. Students with an associate's degree may choose to continue on with their education to earn a bachelor's degree in health information management, or HIM. For those who are interested in this pathway, the CLC has guaranteed transfer agreements with certain universities, such as University of Illinois Chicago and National Louis University, University Center of Lake County, and others. So take a look at the transfer page for more information if you are interested in this pathway. Information for getting started in the HIT program can always be found out on the CLC HIT webpage. There are 4 things interested persons need to complete in order to start the admission process for the program. First, one must attend an HIT information session, and information sessions are offered several times a year, and you can check the CLC webpage for current dates and times by clicking on this link. The second is to complete CLC steps to applying and enrolling to the college. You want to be sure that you have your transcripts, high school, GED, and college with a graduation date submitted. And also, you want to be sure to submit an HIT screening form to our admissions and recruitment as well. Third, an applicant must take the NLN admissions exam and earn a composite score of at least 50. And then the 4th step would be for an applicant to meet the minimum selection criteria of being a high school graduate student or equivalent, or be a high school senior in their last term. And you must meet the college reading and writing and basic algebra readiness criteria. And then students who have already started earning credits at CLC, you must have at least a CLC GPA total of 2.0. For more detailed information about the admission steps, please click on any of the live links that you see here on the website. I hope this presentation has provided you with some valuable information for your future, and please come on into an HIT information session at the college to learn more about our program and meet our faculty members. We look forward to learning more about you and answering your questions in person. Thank you.